Welcome to my YouTube channel, Break the Knowledge Barrier. I am Naprit Kaur and I always try to give you the best possible videos for preparing for your IELTS examinations. मैं इस चैनल पे हमेशा कोशिश करती हूँ कि आपको अच्छी से अच्छी वीडियोस प्रोवाइड करूँ जिससे आप अपने IELTS एग्जामिनेशन को अच्छी तरीके से प्रिपेयर कर सकें. In this video today, I will be giving you details about how to write an IELTS examination, writing task 1, जिसमें आपको मैं एक पाई चार्ट को कैसे अच्छे तरीके से लिखा जाता है उसकी डिटेल्स पूरी दूंगी. प्लीज वॉच दिस वीडियो टिल द एंड सो दैट यू कैन नो ऑल द डिटेल्स अबाउट हाउ टू राइट अ पाई चार्ट इफेक्टिवली एंड टू स्कोर हायर बैंड्स इन योर IELTS राइटिंग एग्जामिनेशन इन टास्क 1 फॉर द एकेडमिक. इस वीडियो में आप पूरी डिटेल से जान पाएंगे कि एकेडमिक टास्क 1 में आप हायर बैंड्स कैसे एक्वायर कर सकते हैं. सो इस वीडियो को एंड तक वॉच करें एंड प्लीज़ लाइक दिस वीडियो. और अगर आपको अच्छी लगे तो इसको अपने फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली मेम्बर्स के साथ भी शेयर करें एंड प्लीज़ डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल. So friends, in this lesson today I will be giving you details about IELTS writing task 1 and how to describe a pie chart. So let's move on to the question. The question here is, the pie charts below show the devices people in the 18 to 25 age group use to watch television in Canada in 2 different years. Summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main features and make comparisons where relevant. So what the question says? The question here says that the people between the age group of 18 to 25 use various methods to watch the television in Canada. So these are the methods. The methods they have mentioned here are these: the mobile phone, laptop, desktop, flat screen, TV, tablet and conventional TV. So these are the 6 methods, and the years which they are comparing is 2009 and 2019. So these are the 2 years for which they are giving the data. Now the question expects us to segregate the data and summarize the information by selecting the main features. That means हमें इसमें main features select करने हैं and we have to write it. The data here shows that there is an age group. जो age group है that is of young Canadians 18 to 25 जो यूज़ करते हैं different methods like mobile phone, laptop, tablet, desktop, flat screen and conventional TV to watch television. Television के different modes हैं जो वो यूज़ करते हैं. These are the 6 different modes जो यूज़ करते हैं in 2009 and 2019. So हमें इनके जो main features हैं and इनकी जो जो proper information है compare करके लिखनी है. So this is the question for writing task 1 for the academic, and this is the pie chart. So first what we'll do is we'll discuss the structure of writing. Writing task 1 is written in a different format. जो structure है उसका क्या use होता है, we are talking about this. There are 4 paragraphs in total, minimum 4 paragraphs. You can even write 5 paragraphs also, but here we are talking about only 4 paragraphs in which we have to write about the various things in the different paragraphs. Like in paragraph 1, what do we write in paragraph 1? Paragraph 1 mainly comprises of the paraphrasing of the question. Paraphrasing the question means we have to write the question in our own words without changing the meaning of the question. We can use the synonyms, but we don't have to change the meaning of the question. So the first paragraph is that हमें question को अपने words में लिखना है without changing the meaning. Synonyms use करेंगे, but हमें जो question में जो लिखा है उस जो question type जैसा भी लिखा है उसको वैसे ही रहने देना without changing the meaning. So that will be the first paragraph, right? So next paragraph would be the overall trend. ओवरऑल मीन्स जो मेजर ट्रेंड्स हैं, मेजर ऑब्जर्वेशंस हैं, हमें वो मेंशन करनी है इन पैराग्राफ 2. सेकेंड पैराग्राफ में हमें जो मेजर हमारी जो ऑब्जर्वेशंस हम देखते हैं या मेजर ट्रेंड्स जो मेजर इंक्रीज हुआ या डिक्रीज हुई हैं फिगर्स, हमें वो मेंशन करनी है. थर्ड पैराग्राफ कंप्राइजेस ऑफ बॉडी पैराग्राफ 1 विच इज़ कॉल्ड BP1 ऑल्सो. इसमें हम एक कैटेगरी को मेंशन करेंगे. जैसे इसमें 4 चीज़ें थी. Either we can write it in year wise in both the body paragraph, like एक body paragraph में हम 2009 लिख देंगे और दूसरे में हम 2019 लिख देंगे. That can also be written, or we can write it in different like we can use the different devices in one body paragraph and the other devices in the second body paragraph. So ये different types हैं, different categories हैं how we write in different body paragraphs. This is the minimum requirement of writing task 1. 4 paragraphs तो चाहिए ही चाहिए. ठीक, 4 paragraphs तो चाहिए ही. We can even write 5 paragraphs if required. If required, we can write 5 paragraphs. Otherwise, only 4 paragraphs are required and not less than 4 paragraphs. Right? This is the structure which we have to follow in writing task 1 of academic. It can be a pie chart, a bar graph, anything. We have to follow this structure. Now we come back to the question again and the next paragraph. So the first paragraph, the first thing that we have to do is we have to paraphrase the question in our own words. So what the question here is? Question में what they are asking, क्या पूछ रहे हैं वो question में, जो हमने पहले ही डिस्कस किया है कि दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट an age group of 18 to 25 जो different methods use करते हैं for watching the television in 2 different years. ठीक है, and we are paraphrasing it here in our own words. How do we paraphrase? The pie chart will remain the same. Pie chart को हम कुछ भी खास change नहीं करेंगे. Either we can write chart or we can write pie charts. ठीक है, the pie charts illustrate. शो की जगह पे हमने illustrate the form of media used by the young Canadian. Form of media हमने devices की जगह पे use किया and young Canadian adults हमने use किया है उस particular category 18 to 25 age group की जो category है उसके लिए use किया है young Canadian adults to watch programs on television and how this has changed over a period of 10 years between 2009 and 2019. हमने पैराफ्रेज किया क्वेश्चन, उसमें हमने पीरियड भी मेंशन कर दिए, ईयर्स भी मेंशन कर दिए एंड एट द सेम टाइम हमने उनको सिनोनिम्स यूज करके उसका मीनिंग चेंज नहीं किया, क्वेश्चन को हमने अपने वर्ड्स में लिख दिया. सो व्हाट वोकैबुलरी हियर वी आर यूजिंग इज शो की जगह पे वी आर यूजिंग इलस्ट्रेट, डिवाइसेस की जगह पे वी आर यूजिंग फॉर्म ऑफ मीडिया, 18 to 25 एज ग्रुप वी आर यूजिंग young adults. These are the major synonyms which we are using, and other things are we are just mentioning it in the simple manner that this how this has changed over a period of 10 years. This is an addition which we are making in the question. So this is how we are writing the paraphrase in our own words without changing the meaning. Now we come to body paragraph 1. Sorry, not body paragraph, we are writing about the overall. Paragraph 2 is we are writing about the overall, the general trend. इसमें हमें general trend क्या दिखा पूरे question में? We are talking about this. General trend क्या है हमारा, हमने क्या चीज़ इसमें देखी? In 2009, this was the major, 34% was one of the major modes. Whereas in 2019, दिस इज द मेजर मोड. अब ये दोनों चीज़ें क्या है, ये ग्रीन वाली क्या है, ग्रीन वाली इज कन्वेंशनल टीवी जो उस टाइम पे ज़्यादा थी लेकिन वो बाद में डिक्रीज हो गई. ठीक है, कितना कम हो गया, वी कैन सी द डिफरेंस, राइट, दिस इज द डिफरेंस. एंड 27% इज दिस, ये वाला ब्लू, लाइट ब्लू, दैट इज द फ्लैट स्क्रीन. द फ्लैट स्क्रीन टेलीविजन 8% से 27% हो गया. दिस इज वन ऑफ द मेजर ट्रेंड्स. Then other trends what we see is ये 18 से 12% हो गया, ये 5%, ये क्या है, दिस इज द टेबलेट, दिस इज फ्रॉम 5 to 19% इंक्रीज हो गया. देन 15 to 26%, ये ब्लू वाला क्या 15 to, दिस इज द मोबाइल फोन्स, ये 15 to 26%. सो इसमें मेजर ट्रेंड what we see here is that overall a glance at the figures reflect a major shift from conventional TV, while the modern gadgets being an obvious choice of the youth in Canada. Conventional TV से shift हुआ है to modern gadgets. This is the major trend we are seeing here. And जो मॉडर्न गैजेट्स हैं, दे आर बिकमिंग द ऑब्वियस चॉइस ऑफ द यूथ ऑफ कनाडा. तो जो यूथ है वहाँ की, यंग पीपल है, उनकी जो मॉडर्न गैजेट्स हैं वो एक मेजर चॉइस बन गई है इन कंपैरिजन टू द कन्वेंशनल टीवी. राइट, दिस इज द मेजर ट्रेंड वी आर सीइंग हियर कि जो न्यू डिवाइसेस हैं वो इंक्रीज हुई हैं, जैसे फ्लैट स्क्रीन टीवी इंक्रीज हो गया, मोबाइल फोन्स इंक्रीज हो गया, देन ये वी कैन से दिस टैबलेट्स ये इंक्रीज हो गए. सो दिस इज अ मेजर ट्रेंड, वेयर जो कन्वेंशनल चीजें हैं वो कम हो गई हैं. What we write in overall is overall a glance at the figures we are writing here because these are two pie charts, reflect a major shift from conventional TV, while the modern gadgets being an obvious choice of the youth in Canada. ठीक है, this is the overall, हमने मेजर ट्रेंड मेंशन किया इसमें. Now we come to body paragraph 1. अब body paragraph 1 में we have two methods, जैसे मैंने पहले भी explain किया. Either we can write everything about 2009 in body paragraph 1 and everything about 2019 in body paragraph 2. But here we are using the method of comparing the things. यहाँ पे हम compare कर रहे हैं different चीज़ों को, और ये comparison हमारा depending on the devices. Here I am comparing the television. उनमें क्या changes आई हैं हम वो compare कर रहे हैं in body paragraph 1. So what changes we see here? How do we write it? The major change over the decade was the transition from conventional TVs to flat screen television, where the former falling from 34% to a meager 4%. Former क्या हुआ? Conventional TV, and the latter is द फ्लैट स्क्रीन टीवी. इन दोनों को हमने फॉर्मर और लेटर करके यूज किया है यहाँ पर. while the latter increasing its hold from 8% to 27% during the period. अब क्या था, 2009 में कन्वेंशनल टीवी वॉज 34%, जो डिक्रीज हो गया, सब्सटैंशियली डिक्रीज हुआ टू 4% ओनली. That is why, because बहुत कम हुआ, that is why we are using the word meager 4% from 34%. And what phrases we are using? The transition from conventional TVs to flat screen. This is the phrase कि conventional TV से flat screen की तरफ transition हुई है लोगों की. With the former is the conventional and the latter is the flat screen. With the former falling, former जो है 34 से 4% fall हो गया, whereas the latter increasing its hold from 8% to 27%. जबकि latter means second वाला is the flat screen, जिसका hold increase हुआ 8% से 27% during the period, making it the most popular device for watching the TV, replacing the former. जिससे वो मोस्ट पॉपुलर डिवाइस बन गया 2019 में, रिप्लेसिंग द फॉर्मर. जो कन्वेंशनल टीवी है उसको इसने रिप्लेस कर दिया इन 2019. सो दिस इज द मेजर ट्रेंड व्हाट वी सी इन द डिफरेंट ईयर्स इन बॉडी पैराग्राफ 1. दिस इज व्हाट वी आर राइटिंग हियर. राइट, नाउ वी कम टू बॉडी पैराग्राफ 2. इन बॉडी पैराग्राफ another general trend that was witnessed in 2019 was that the younger people preferred to watch television on the smaller and more portable devices. So that was a general trend, that what people witnessed was that they preferred to use portable devices like mobile phone or a tablet or any other things. So this was another trend that we saw, that preferred to watch television on smaller, more portable appliances in 2009 than in 2009. Then in particular, here we are talking about in particular, the use of mobile phones increased by almost 3/4 to consolidate its share to 26%. That means the use of mobile phones is this, from 15% to 26%. That means it increased by 2/3. 2/3 proportion was added to this to become 26% in 2019. Whereas tablets use saw an almost 4-fold increase to 19%. Tablets is this. It was 5% in 2009, which increased to 19%. So we are using the phrase fourfold. Fourfold means 4 times. 4 गुना ज़्यादा. अगर हम 5% का 4 गुना ज़्यादा देखें तो it will be 20%. लेकिन ये है 19%, exactly 20% नहीं है. तो what we are using is almost fourfold increase to 19%. This trend was reinforced मतलब थोड़ा सा इसको consolidate किया by the number of 18 to 25-year-olds using computers for TV viewing, as both desktop and laptop computers saw substantial fall. अब trend क्या था कि they used the portable devices. ये इसको reinforce कैसे किया कि television जो देखना था through desktop and laptops, उसका भी जो trend है वो decrease हो गया in 2019. अब this is the desktop, yellow वाला. ये 18% से 12% हो गया, एंड ये वाला जो था दैट इज द लैपटॉप, ये 20% से 12% हो गया. सो दिस इज अनदर ट्रेंड दैट वाज रीइंफोर्स्ड कि पोर्टेबल डिवाइसेस की तरफ लोग ज़्यादा इंक्लाइंड हुए. सो बोथ ऑफ देम एट द एंड ऑफ द डिकेड, बोथ ऑफ देम वर एट 12%. सो इसीलिए हमने उसको मेंशन किया कि सॉ सब्सटेंशियल फॉल इन द यूसेज to remain the same at 12% after a decade. After a decade, it remained at 12%. Right? So this is how we write the body paragraph 2. In body paragraph 2, we have compared all the small things. Body paragraph 1 में हमने television को अकेला हमने compare किया, एंड बॉडी पैराग्राफ 2 में हम बाकी की चीज़ों को थोड़ा थोड़ा करके कंपेयर किया टू कंप्लीट आवर वर्ड्स. राइट, दिस इज हाउ वी कंपेयर एंड राइट द थिंग्स इन राइटिंग टास्क 1. So the final task, the final exam, what we write about the task 1 pie chart would be: the pie charts illustrate the form of media used by the young Canadian adults to watch programs on television and how this has changed over a period of 10 years between 2009 and 2019. The pie charts illustrate the form of media used by the young Canadian adults to watch programs on television and how this has changed over a period of 10 years between 2009 and 2019. The major change over the decade was the transition from conventional TVs to flat screen television, where the former falling from 34% to a meager 4%, while the latter increasing its hold from 8% to 27% during the period, making it the most popular device for watching TV, replacing the former. Another general trend that was witnessed in 2019 was that the younger people preferred to watch television on the smaller, more portable appliances than in 2009. In particular, the use of mobile phones increased by almost 3/4 to consolidate its share to 26%, whereas tablets use saw an almost four-fold increase to 19%. This trend was reinforced by the number of 18 to 25-year-olds using computers for TV viewing, as both desktop and laptop computers saw substantial fall in usage to remain the same at 12% after a decade. So here the word count is 200. So this is the final version of the task 1 pie chart, what we are attempting. So friends, this was the video about how to write a pie chart in the IELTS examination for the academic part. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगे, please comment in the comment section below, and please also comment if you want a video on any other topic. Thank you for watching.